The Suncoast Park Hotel Anaheim Tapestry Collection by Hilton is located less than 1 mile from Disneyland Resort in California. The newly renovated hotel was built in 2016 and features 174 guest rooms. There's even a small gift shop. The lobby pub serves small bites, cocktails, and American cuisine. We had breakfast here before we headed to the parks. The outdoor pool deck is a beautiful place to relax. It even features views of the fireworks. Welcome to this room tour. This is the Suncoast Park Hotel Tapestry Collection by Hilton, located just a few minutes from the Disneyland Resort. We just got in and we took an Uber from Disneyland and it took 6 minutes, which is not bad at all. So right as you enter the room is a closet with extra bedding and some hangers, and we have a ironing board and an iron, and we have a special treat in this room. We have a pair of men's underwear. So that is the closet. There's a nice full-length mirror here with a little bench, and then we have a chest of drawers here. Actually, I wonder if this is a fridge. This is nothing. Nope. Oh, there we go. Oh, it is a microwave. And then we do have the fridge down here, and then we have a coffee maker up here on top. Then when we flip around, we have the bathroom. It has this nice barn door, nice big tiled shower, and I always like it when the shower curtains kind of curve out. Gives you a little bit more room in the shower. A toilet. I kind of love the artwork here. And then just a nice sink with plenty of counter space, and I like that there are plenty of towels in here. Then as we come into the main part of the room, this is a 2-queen room. So we have the 2 queen beds, each with 4 pillows. They have these 2 nice little lights, the pendant lights here. I cannot figure out how to turn them on. There's a little button there. The button doesn't really do anything. It doesn't move. The light switches don't turn the lights on, so all the light switches in the room are on, and I can't figure out how to turn those on. But here is our other queen bed, and then I'm going to show you, it is late. We have a little air conditioner unit here. I'm going to show you out the window. Can't really see too much. The 5 freeway is right there. There's a huge like power pole here. And then that's really all that we can see. That's the side of the building there. You can hear a little bit of noise from the freeway, but I don't think it is very bad. And then here in the room we also have 2 nice prints, a lamp, a little chair with a desk, which is nice. Lots of plugs here. And then we have the phone, the television, and of course chests of drawers and a little ice bucket there. I always like to look here and show the outlets. So we do have a USB and then a cord. I think this is for the alarm clock, and then we have another outlet there. And over here we have 2 outlets and the USB, which is nice right next to the bed, so you can charge electronics if you need to charge them in the evening. So that is the room tour for the Suncoast Park Hotel Tapestry Collection by Hilton.